So guys, in this video I will try to show you everything you need to know about the keyframes in Filmora. It's really simple. The first question, what can we do with our keyframes? If we move to right side and we see this symbol beside any value, that means we can use keyframes for that value. Here we have a scale, we can use a scale for zoom in. So let's change it. We are zoomed in, but if we move around, see, there is no animation. Suppose we want to gradually zoom in. So for that we need keyframes. Let's reset. Now it's on 100%. To make a keyframe, click on this small symbol. Then suppose we want to zoom in for 3 seconds. Move the playhead to 3 seconds. Now scale it up. See, our symbol color change. When the color is not default like this, that means we have a keyframe at this point. Let's move some frame forward. See, now we have default color, but if we change something or click on here, the color will change. That means now we have a new keyframe here. Let's zoom out a lot. And now if we play it, see, zooming in, and after this point, zoom out. And these are our keyframes. Suppose we want to change the keyframe from 5 seconds to 7 seconds. For that, just single left click and drag. To delete a keyframe, single left click, select it and press on delete. Now how to use complex animation? Let's bring the ball to the timeline. Scale it down. Position it, left click, drag. Suppose we want to move this ball from here to here after 1 second. So move the playhead to 1 second. Make a keyframe for position. Then move the playhead to the end point, 4th second. Make another keyframe for position. Now move the ball. So we have our ball animation. But it's too slow. To make it faster, select the second keyframe, move it closer. Now the duration is only 1.5 seconds. See, now it's moving fast. Move to the first keyframe again. Make a keyframe for scale. Then move to the second keyframe. Increase the ball size. So now the ball will move and also increase in size. Let's see. Now the problem here, we have single point for both the scale and position. Now suppose we want to only move the position keyframe. But if we click on here and drag it, this will move both scale and position keyframe. So what's the solution here? Go to bottom right side, keyframe panel. Let's give it some space. Here we can control all of our keyframes individually. These 4 are for positions and these 4 for scale. These 2 keyframes for Y value and these 2 for X value. Because as you can see, there is no change for our Y value here. It's a straight line. Let's change the Y value. Select the second keyframe, move it. See the Y value changing here. And this one for scale in X axis and scale in Y axis. Let's change the Y value. See the change. And if we move it, see, we have an extra keyframe for Y value. Let's play it again. See. Also, if you want to use ease in, ease out for your animation, just select the keyframe, right click, and we will have the ease in and ease out option there. Let's select ease in. See. Also, we can manually control the handle. Single left click, drag. Let's change it to right click, ease out. Single left click, drag. After you are done with this, just click on keyframe panel again to close the panel. So guys, that's how easily we can use keyframes in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.